Start that again. I'm gonna do that again. One more time, back it up. Are we starting now? Hello everyone and welcome to Feature Friday. My name is Christy Enns, Territory Manager, one of the many safety specialists here at Mackmore Industries. Here today to talk about the MSA Advantage Respiratory line. For starters, we're going to talk about the Full Face Advantage 3200. Features a state-of-the-art design, lower breathing resistance, present upper straps, make it easy for donning and doffing. Thermoplastic rubber increases softness and decreases the weight. Scratch-resistant wraparound face piece allows for a wide field of vision. Next we have the Advantage 200 LS. It's lightweight, cost-efficient. The thermoplastic rubber is what's on the face piece here. Multi-face nose cup system equalizes the facial pressure. The AnthroCurve face piece, say that 10 times fast, conforms to each user's face and maximizes the fit, the comfort, which also reduces the potential leak points. Both masks incorporate MSA's global engineering expertise. Advantage respirators meet NIOSH and EN standards while maintaining flexibility and affordability. We stock the MSA P100 filters, as seen here, both the low profile, which are these guys here, and the standard size. We also stock the organic vapor cartridges with and without the P100, the ammonia methylene, and multi-gas cartridges. Lastly, I want to talk about the MSA Advantage 290. That's this guy here, which is the newest innovation and first out of the gate for a half mask without an exhalation valve. The inhaled and exhaled air gets filtered through the same channel. This is called source control. The Advantage 290 enables user protection up to P100 level, which is above the N95 requirements. Only the P100 Advantage filters can be used on this particular face piece. Another key feature to note is the Advantage 290 is an elastomeric respirator, meaning it's tight-fitting and made of synthetic material designed for being repeatedly disinfected, cleaned, and reused. This mask is ideal for the healthcare industry as well as the farming and food industry, where protection is required for both the user and the animals, to keep from possibly infecting the animals with a virus that might not be harmful to the individual using them, but could be detrimental to the animals. So that's the MSA Advantage line. We have these products in stock, the 3200, the 200 LS, as well as the 290 in the 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, as well as the P100s, the low profile, standard size, and the cartridges. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call, send us an email. We'd be happy to answer any of your questions. Thanks for tuning in to the Feature Friday and have a great weekend.